Hi, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. We are on, what is it? We're on week 14 of the 50 countries in 50 weeks. And this week we're going to be making Himbasha, which is an Ethiopian flatbread. It's a celebration bread. It's also traditionally broken in half over the back of 1-year-olds on their birthday to bring them strength and prosperity, which is kind of cool. My dad only ever signed papers on my back, so. Changing it up this week, we're not going to use the stand mixer. I know, gonna give it a break. Instead, we're actually gonna mix everything in my, what's this thing called? In my food processor. So that should be fun. And it all goes in one thing. We're using my least favorite ingredient, which is raisins. But we're also using my favorite spice, which is cardamom. So it evens out, I guess. Yeah. I don't know why I ate the raisin. Okay. Before I get too carried away, look. My new apron. Hopefully you can see that. My very talented mother made and designed this and had it made for me. So I'm super excited. Somebody come get her, she's dancing like a stripper. Go to your home. I'm supposed to do it for 10 minutes, but I don't feel like I should do it in that for 10 minutes.
Where do you want to put it in the shed?
Well, I think I have to do it by hand. Traditional pattern is a wheel. I think I'm going to do something a little bit different. You're supposed to just press it in with a blunt knife. It's got a belly button.
Really?
Smells good. Okay.
Yeah.
It was different. It's not what I was expecting at all. Because, like, it's very cardamom smelling. But it's like... Wanna try some?
It's like a fluffy fancy cracker. Oh!
No.
Did you see it?
No.
It's Canada.
What did I put for Canada?
Water heart.
Ooh. Thank God you're in the office this week. Sweet. Good thing I just bought butter. Okay, so next week, Canada. Going to make a butter tart.
What'd you call me?
Gorgeous.
Uh-huh.
Well, that's it.
See you next Tuesday.
See you next Tuesday.
And Tuesday
And
after
tomorrow.
that. And the Tuesday
And
after
tonight.
that.
Next week, Canada. Woo!
Motherland!
I thought you were American. I'll see you next Tuesday. I know what that is.
It's blackcurrant juice.
Yeah, but you mix it with water?
Yeah, you can't drink it straight. Well, we could. You just wouldn't like it.
I don't usually like to do things straight.